Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tuesday and today is day 21 of Vlogmas. I have 21, 22, 23, 24 days to go. That means I only need to come up with content for 2 more days because the 24th, I know what I'm going to film and I have content for the days. So just 2 more days of filming. Or figuring out what to film. 4 more days of filming, including today, but only 2 more days of trying to figure out what I'm going to post. This has been such a real struggle for me, but I am actually proud of myself for having gotten this far in the challenge and being consistent, getting something up every single day. There were some days where it didn't get up until like 11:30 or almost midnight, but it got up, and I'm actually really proud of myself and patting myself on the back because I just wanted to prove to myself that I was taking content creation seriously. 2020 has been quite a year for me, as it has been, I'm sure, for all of you. But this was the year that I decided I was going to take content creation a little more seriously. And so when we all went into shutdown mode, I decided that was what I was going to do with my time, was make content for Instagram and for YouTube primarily. And yeah, I've done a lot of that. I don't want to get too far into it because I want to save some of these insights for another video, but I'm a little proud of myself. So I'm going to pat myself on the back a little bit right now. And then I'm going to get into today's video. Today I wanted to share with you, or I wanted to unbox with you, another Locavore box that I just received. They did a few for the Christmas season. And for those of you who haven't seen my previous Locavore unboxing, this is a local Arizona company that curates a box of products for you that has Arizona products in it, or in Arizona-based business products in it. That's a mouthful. You guys know what I'm talking about. We are shopping local this season. We are buying from small businesses this season, and this box is helping to curate products for us so that way we can find gifts and know where to shop for future reference. I really enjoy this box a lot just because the companies that Locavore works with are just so lovely, and I've had nothing but good experiences with them so far. I've had things like locally made peanut butter, soaps, candles, crafts, and I'm just really excited to jump into this box. So if you want to see what's in it, stay tuned. Okay, first things first, there's a lovely little note in here from Josh, who runs Locavore, and he says, "Tuesday, Merry Christmas. I always feel the pressure picking accessories for the style advisor herself." That's me. "But hope you love these locally made earrings from the dainty design and gorgeous hair clip from Good Mud and everything else, of course. All my love, Josh." I love that there's a little note in here for me. I love this company. I just think they are so wonderful and they are doing such a great job. This company is relatively new, so I'm really happy to support them. All right, here's what's in the box. First up is the little pamphlet. You always get a little pamphlet in your boxes. And it just talks about the different companies involved in this particular box, including Light and Bark Candle, Verano Bathery, Studio 223, Good Mud, and obviously AZ. I'm going to leave information about all of these companies in the description box below. I'm just going to leave their Instagram handle so that you guys can check them out, even if you are not an Arizona native, which I know most of you are not. If you want to try out some of these products, they really are amazing. I think you should get your hands on them, and you'll still be supporting a small business even if it's not local to you. And then if you know of any like small businesses that you would love to share their products with the rest of us, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. I think that would be really great. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the candle from Light and Bark. Light and Bark, they were formerly known as Dog Candle Company. They are amazing and probably one of my favorite vendors. Well, they're all pretty amazing, but they're definitely one of up there at the top of my favorites of vendors that Locavore works with. And it's because, oh my gosh, these candles smell so freaking amazing. What makes these so great, besides the fact that proceeds from purchase of one of these candles goes towards helping rescue and shelter dogs, is the scents are refreshing. They're not cloyingly sweet like some big box candle companies are. They smell authentic, and they just make you want to keep coming back for a whiff. Time after time after time. It's like having your favorite fragrance, but just for your home. If I leave one of these candles just open, sitting in my house somewhere, the whole room has this just very subtle fragrance. This one is called Dashing, and it is leather and spruce, which is probably why I love it so much. You guys, I cannot wait to burn these. And like, my husband usually doesn't get into the candles because, again, they have this kind of artificial smell to them, but light and bark candles never smell artificial. They always smell authentic, and I don't know what she does, but it's amazing. And I love these. Oh gosh, I love these so much. Okay, so that was the first, and this is like the small size. I know she makes bigger sizes in like glass jars and stuff, so be sure to check her out. Okay, the next item is by the Dainty Design, but it came via Studio 223, which is a local studio here in the in the Phoenix Valley that sells like home goods and crafts from local artisans. The Dainty Design, you guys have seen me talk about her before. She's based here in my city, and she makes earrings, obviously. I usually get the little statement studs from her, and that's what I've shown you here on this channel before, but I absolutely love these pieces that Josh picked out for me. They are like looks like a gold plated leaf cutout, and I just think these are lovely. I don't think I've ever seen her create anything quite like this before, so these are a little bit unique, and I just love the detail on them. I can't wait to wear them. Yeah, you got this is all me. I love these. These are so pretty, and I'm excited to be able to support her a little further and also support Studio 223. The next piece in here is a cute little hair clip. You guys, it's so adorable. I believe these are like handmade ceramic pieces. I'm gonna just hold my hand up here so you can get a better look at it. So there's like a little moon, and I think those are supposed to be like stars, and then there's a little cacti on there, you know, because this is Arizona. And of course it's on a little like alligator clip here. And this will just kind of, you know, gently go in the hair. Maybe not quite like this, but you get the point. Yeah, this is really cute. And I think I'm gonna get a clean getaway. I am. Awesome. And I love that it's like hand designed and painted and just so adorable, and it's so Arizona. I'm all about repping my adopted state. I'm not from Arizona originally, but I adopted it when I got married, and I love it here. It's my happy place. All right, the other thing is this really cute sticker. I can't wait to add this to my collection, by obviously AZ, and I think it's supposed to be like obvi-as. Does that make sense? Where AZ is the like back end of obviously. All right, a little play on words there. Anyways, and it says parked in the shade. And if you're from Arizona or Nevada or maybe even parts of California, if you know, you know. It makes so much sense, and it's really cute. Can't wait to add this to my collection of stickers. All right, the last products in here are all from Verano Bathery, and I talked about them in the last Locavore box, even though I didn't get anything from them, because they have made such an impact in my life. These little bars of soap are so amazing. They have such great scents. Even if I haven't even taken this out of the package, and the scent is like amazing. I'm just like, oh my gosh. They're up there on my list of businesses that I really love from Locavore as well. This is the Spice Pear, and it looks like it's made from winter pears, and it's spiked with warming spices, and it has some oils in it, fragrance, natural green oxide, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ground cloves in it. So I'm so excited to open this up and use it. I don't want to take it out of the packaging quite yet because I'm still working on my last bar of soap that I have. It sits in my kitchen, and it just makes everything so fragrant and lovely. It still has that kind of autumnal smell to it, even though we're kind of, you know, well into winter at this point. I love it. And Yes, yes, yes. This is giving me all the winter vibes. I don't know about the rest of you, but for winter scents, especially for my home, I love winter fruit smells like citrus and pears. That's kind of what I go to, as opposed to, I don't know, peppermint and things other people kind of gravitate towards in the winter time. I love these kind of winter fruit smells, and so this spiced pear is going to be perfect in my home. Now, these other two items, or they're the same, but there's two of them, I have never experienced before, so I'm excited to give them a try. These are face masks, and the first one is an oatmeal face mask, and the second one is a charcoal face mask, both of them by Verano Bathery. I didn't even know that they did face masks. I thought they just did soap, so it's nice to explore more of their product selection. Both masks have ingredients that you can 100% pronounce, and you probably know what they are. So for instance, the oatmeal one has distilled water, clay, oatmeal, rosehip oil, shea butter. It has an emulsifying wax, glycerin. This is the only thing I don't want to know what it is. Optifen, not sure. But it has evening primrose extract, chamomile extract, essential oils of lavender, patchouli, and geranium, vitamin E oil, and rose clay. And then the charcoal one has distilled water, bentonite clay, activated charcoals, shea butter, jojoba oil, emulsifying wax, glycerin, green tea extract, aloe extract, essential oils of tea tree, lavender, lemon. Again, that Optifen, I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's some kind of like, you know, agent that helps the mask do what it does. I'm not sure, but it also has vitamin E oil. In any event, I feel like this feels like something I actually want to put on my face. Not a lot of chemicals or weird ingredients in them. And again, local, small, cute. Look how cute. Look how cute. I love it. All right, so that is everything in this particular box. Just so you are aware, in case you want to try out Locavore for yourself, it comes in two different sizes. So there's a smaller size that I believe is like $25, $30, something like that. And then there's a larger size that's $45. I always get the larger size because I always love all the products and I know I'm going to use them. So it's never money wasted. And if you live in the East Valley of the Phoenix Valley, they will deliver it to you. Otherwise, you can have it shipped to you. So wherever you are in the country, they can ship a box out to you. So even, like I said, even if you're not, don't have any real interest in Arizona per se, these products are really knockout amazing. I will leave all the information for them below so that way you can check them out for yourself. I hope you guys kind of like this video. Normally, I do clothing unboxings and we talk fashion and shopping here. So be sure to subscribe if you're into that kind of thing, and hit that notification bell in case you want to know when every single video is going to drop. Also, be sure to go over to Instagram and follow me there. Today is the last day of the Fashom gift card giveaway, so be sure to look for the video that I'm going to post up on the screen right now, so that way you can follow all the instructions, be able to go ahead and get in on that giveaway. Like I said, today is the absolute last day for that, and I would hate for you to miss out because you missed it by one day. That doesn't make any sense. All right, you guys, until the next video, day 22, live with love.